Hello and welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. Let's proceed with this first drawing. Here I'm going to draw a dolphin. Now let's color this dolphin using pink color. This dolphin is diving into the water. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a crane. Now I'm going to draw its neck like this. I have used red color pen for drawing this crane. Now I'm drawing its legs like this. It is so simple and easy. Now let's draw the beak and water, and this beautiful drawing is ready. Now let's proceed with another drawing. So here I'm going to draw a ladybird like this. Now let's make the spots on the body like this. Now I'll have to color these spots, and using the red color, let's color the wings, and this is done. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a boy which is wearing a hat and holding a strawberry in his hand. So let's draw the lower body and its legs like this, and now I'm going to draw the strawberry, and now let's color this strawberry using red color and this hat using yellow color. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw the famous cartoon character. Do you all know about this? Yes, this is Pikachu. So I'm going to draw its face and its hands like this. Now let's draw the lower body and the legs and its tail. Now it is time to color this Pikachu using black and yellow color. Wow! Now let's proceed with another drawing. So here I am going to draw a strawberry cupcake. So it's a yummy cupcake. Do you all like cupcake? Okay, so now let's color this strawberry and now color the cake. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I am going to draw a princess which is wearing a beautiful gown. So I'm going to draw its hands and its beautiful dress like this. Now let's make its crown and hair like this. Now I'm going to draw the eyes, nose, and now let's color its hair and beautiful pink dress. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a bear. So I have drawn this bear like this. Now it is time to color the bear using brown and yellow color. Okay. Now let's proceed with another drawing. So let's see what I'm going to draw this time. Here I have drawn this boy which is showing